Are you tired of going to the gym week after week, only to see little to no results? Frustrated by the endless cycle of starting strong and then falling off track again? I can assure you, it's not your willpower that's holding you back. It's the lack of the right knowledge and strategies. Imagine finally breaking free of those patterns that have been holding you back and learning the psychological tools you need to achieve lasting success. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's been sabotaging your progress and how to overcome it for good. Alright, in today's video, we're going to be going over the practical strategies to master your mindset, stay motivated, and turn your fitness goals into reality. Not only that, you'll learn skills that will last you a lifetime. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path forward to finally achieving your fitness goals and the knowledge to maintain your progress for life. Let's get started on unlocking the potential that's been inside you all along. Alright, so we got number 1. Setting specific, achievable goals. Break down your long-term fitness goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This helps maintain motivation and provides a clear path to success. For example, if your goal is to lose 30 pounds, aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, and then set monthly targets of 8 to 10 pounds. Combine these fitness and nutrition goals, such as working out 4 times per week and adjusting your diet. Just by focusing on the things you're supposed to do, the results will creep up on you, as you just continuously choose to stay disciplined. Track your progress often and adjust milestones as needed to stay motivated and on track. Number 2, visualize success. Regularly visualizing achieving your fitness goals. Take just 1 minute per day to set your phone away from social media or before turning your TV on to watch Netflix. Take 60 entire seconds to imagine how you'll feel once you achieved your fitness goals. You can do this with just about any goal that you have. This mental rehearsal can boost motivation and help you stay focused on your objectives. Drawing inspiration from Napoleon Hill's principles in Think and Grow Rich, regularly visualizing your fitness goals can significantly enhance your motivation and focus. Hill emphasizes the power of mental imagery in achieving success. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, take a few moments each day to vividly imagine crossing the finish line, feeling strong and accomplished. Picture yourself overcoming challenges during training and celebrating your progress. This mental rehearsal not only reinforces your commitment, but also helps create a positive mindset, making it easier to stay on track and achieve your fitness objectives. Just as Hill advocates for visualizing financial success to manifest wealth, applying the same technique to your fitness journey can drive real results. Number 3, create a positive self-talk routine. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Reinforcing a positive mindset can enhance your self-belief and perseverance. For instance, instead of thinking, "I can't do this," tell yourself, "I am capable and strong." Regularly using positive affirmations helps build self-belief, which in turn strengthens your resolve and perseverance. This shift in thinking can significantly improve your ability to stay motivated and overcome challenges in your fitness journey. Here's a famous quote from Mahatma Gandhi. "Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny." Number 4, establish a routine. Develop a consistent workout schedule. Consistency helps create habits and reduces the likelihood of skipping workouts. Look, there's no way around it. Establishing a routine is key to long-term success in your fitness journey. Aim for 2 to 4 workout days per week, which may sound challenging at first. But remember, not every session needs to be an intense weight training. The smartest approach is to mix different training styles throughout the week, such as functional training, mobility exercises, strength and endurance training, and even active recovery such as walking, even yoga. Incorporating a variety of these styles will help you achieve your goals efficiently while keeping your routine balanced. Try to schedule your workouts early in the morning before the day gets busy. Knocking it out first thing in the morning reduces the chances of skipping due to unseen upcoming obligations, such as meetings that go longer than expected and that after work traffic. Being up early, doing the difficult thing before the daily grind reduces the risk of getting carried away with the distractions like social media or excuses that lead you at the end of the day rationalizing a way that you have time to get to your goals eventually. When we make promises to ourselves and don't follow through, this sets the tone for us to form a habit. If this sounds like you every time you've started working towards your goals, this is a clear indication that what you've done in the past is what you'll always continue to do. Decide that that's not what you want anymore, and this time will be different. Number 5, track your progress. Keep a fitness journal or use apps to track your progress. Seeing improvements, no matter how big or small, can reinforce your commitment and boost your morale. Keeping a fitness journal or using apps to track your progress is crucial for staying motivated and committed. My personalized fitness app makes this process effortless. All you need to do is input your weight, your height, and the app takes care of the rest. It tracks your progress. It lets you view customized science-based workouts that I myself curated specifically to help you achieve your fitness goals. It even guides you through my personal Fit for Life Blueprint workout program. You can take your phone to the gym, follow the workouts directly from the app, and stay on track with your routine. Plus, the app integrates with your Apple Watch, your Fitbit, MyFitnessPal, so you can monitor your progress along all devices, ensuring you're always on the right path towards your fitness goals. To get this app, click on the link in the description below and apply for VIP coaching today to see if you qualify for my program. If you want a deeper dive and need help mapping out your goals, don't hesitate. Let's start out by booking a free consultation and get clear on where exactly it is that you need to get started. Number 6, use rewards wisely. Set up a reward system for achieving milestones. Positive reinforcement can motivate you to keep pushing towards your fitness goals. For example, suppose your goal is to work out 4 times a week for a month. To motivate yourself, set up a reward system like this. If you hit your goal for the week, treat yourself to something enjoyable, like a new workout or a massage, even a night out at your favorite restaurant. For bigger milestones, like completing a full month of consistent workouts, you might reward yourself for a weekend getaway, or even a special item you've been wanting. In my Fit for Life Blueprint program, this program offers my clients to offer themselves a leeway by indulging in a cheat meal every Sunday, or whatever day of the week that they choose. This cheat meal serves as a built-in reward that not only satisfies cravings, but also helps you stay on track with your fitness goals by making your routine more sustainable. Knowing you have a designated day to enjoy your favorite foods can reduce the feeling of deprivation, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan throughout the week. Number 7, manage stress effectively. Practice stress reduction techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing. Lowering stress and cortisol levels improve your overall well-being and enhance your fitness performance. Listen, I know, life can be stressful enough, and exercise alone only offers so many benefits on its own. Adding in stress reduction techniques helps reduce the risk of feeling burnt out. This will only lead to eventually missing workouts entirely. And what good is that? Number 8, find a fitness coach. Exercising with a coach can increase your accountability and removes the guesswork from your workouts. Professional support is a powerful way to fast track your progress, and you also learn techniques that you can take with you for the rest of your life. Every coach's mission should be to train their clients to eventually fire them, respectfully of course, and become self-sufficient in their fitness journey. A great fitness coach not only imparts knowledge, but also empowers clients with the skills and confidence to manage their own routines effectively. As a part of this mission, I'm excited to offer you a valuable resource, my free 5-day QuickStart Physique Launch course. This course is designed to equip you with science-based fitness and nutrition strategies that will help you fast-track your goals. In just 5 short days, you'll gain expert insights, understand the latest in fitness, science, and nutrition. Actionable tips, learn practical strategies for effective workouts and diet. Motivational tools, discover psychological techniques and stay motivated to overcome barriers. Listen, I can hardly believe this app is up for free because of all the information that it contains, and unfortunately it won't be for much longer. So don't miss out on the opportunity to get a head start in your fitness journey. Sign up for the 5-day QuickStart Physique Launch today and take the first step towards achieving your fitness goals with confidence and knowledge. You can find this course in the description below. Number 9, understand your triggers. Identify psychological barriers or triggers that lead to procrastination or workout avoidance. Addressing these can help you develop strategies to overcome them. To give you some ideas, here are the top 3 psychological triggers that I've noticed that often put people off by going to the gym. I'm not one to promote victim mentality, so you already know that I'm going to offer solutions to overcome each of these common triggers. First one is fear of failure. Many people fear that they won't be able to keep up with a workout routine, fail to see results, or embarrass themselves in front of others. This fear can lead to avoidance and procrastination. The solution here is to start with small, manageable goals that build confidence over time. Focus on progress rather than perfection, and celebrate small victories. Consider working with a coach that can fast track you towards your goals, or joining a supportive community to build accountability, which will reduce feelings of inadequacy. Next we have overwhelm. The thought of committing to a consistent workout routine, especially if it's perceived as time-consuming or too difficult, can feel overwhelming, leading to procrastination. Try breaking down your fitness goals into smaller, actionable steps. Create a flexible workout schedule that fits your lifestyle and start with short, simple workouts such as compound movements. Gradually increase intensity and duration as you build confidence and stamina. Remember that something is better than nothing at all. I want you to get into the mindset that you are an athlete. You already do what athletes do. You train, you eat healthy, you're disciplined, and you also have a cheat meal a day. Because as an athlete, you can afford to have a cheat meal. The final trigger is lack of immediate gratification. Fitness goals often take time to achieve, and the lack of immediate results can cause people to lose motivation and delay going to the gym. Set short-term achievable milestones like we talked about earlier in the video that provide a sense of accomplishment and keep your motivation high. Use positive reinforcement such as rewarding yourself after a workout to create a connection between your effort and the reward. Tracking progress through an app or journal can also help visualize improvements and maintain momentum. Understand something. You are where you are right now. How long did it take you to get here? 1 year? 3 years? 5? It took you that long to get here. Don't expect immediate results. The typical time to expect real results is 3, sometimes even 4 months if you're consistent with your diet as well as your fitness routine. Understanding and addressing these triggers can empower you to develop strategies that make going to the gym a consistent and rewarding habit. And number 10, stay flexible and adapt. Be prepared to adjust your fitness plan if necessary. Flexibility always allows you to accommodate changes in your schedule or fitness level while maintaining progress. For example, imagine you've planned to hit the gym for about an hour after work, but a last-minute meeting runs late, and now you only have 30 minutes. Instead of skipping the workout entirely, adapt by shortening your routine. Focus on a quick, high-intensity interval training, or even a 7-minute Tabata session. Think about it. Anything is better than sitting at home, watching Netflix, cuddled up to a bowl of ice cream, rationalizing away to yourself why it's okay to be doing that just because of a small setback. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Getting a workout first thing in the morning on days that you know will be busy or may have some hidden obligations that you could predict could arise. And there's always the benefit you get the boost of energy and mental clarity by working out first thing in the morning. Also, not every workout needs to be a grueling strength training session. If you don't have time for the gym, there are other forms of working out. You can walk, you can do yoga, you can ride a bike, you can play basketball, you can play soccer, roller skate, getting outside with your dog. The list could go on and on and on. You get the idea. But by staying flexible and adjusting your plan, you still get a solid workout in and maintain your momentum, even when your schedule changes unexpectedly. Worst case scenario, if you miss a day, there is always tomorrow. It's like when you were a kid. If you take a sick day today, you have homework to catch up on when you get home from school the next day. It's no different. These tips have always helped me leverage psychological principles to enhance my motivation, adherence, and overall success in my fitness journey. And now it's your turn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.